Want to send a voice message to a friend, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to send audio messages on iPhone in iOS 27. Now let's get started. To record an audio message on iPhone, open the Messages app and start a new conversation, or open an existing conversation you want to send a voice message in. If you see the audio wave icon in the message text box, you can hold down that icon to begin recording. If not, tap the plus sign on the left. Then select Audio. Once you tap Audio, recording will begin immediately. Begin saying whatever you want to send to your friend, and tap the Stop button when you're finished. If you want to listen to your recording before sending it off, tap the Play button to hear a preview. If you made a mistake and don't want to send it, tap the X to delete your recording. You can add more to your recording by tapping the Duration button with the plus sign. Tap the Send arrow when you're ready to send off your audio message. Your friends can tap the Play button to listen to your voice message and read a transcript of the recording below. That's all it takes to send audio messages on iPhone in iOS 27. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.